right, sir. Good. Welcome back, and we're ready to fly a bunch. I'd like us to just start out taxiing down, and just then we can taxi down there, and then we'll go up to the cafe area and do our before takeoff check. Yeah, well, let's get this down out of your way. There we go.
Okay, taxi down.
Sure, yeah. Let's just let you get warmed up with your toes a little bit. I know your aircraft doesn't have that, but this one does, so. They say the best pilots fly a variety of aircraft.
Well, then I won't be the best.
You will. You'll be flying this one. You'll be flying your Casper wing. That'll be good. That's a pretty good variety because there's such a variation between the two.
There was a, looked like a single-seater Quicksilver flying earlier before you got here.
Ah, cool. What color?
I had black stripes, and I think it was like a silverish gray, dark.
Ah, very nice.
Lodi traffic, Cessna 65415, departing the area to the north, Lodi.
So they got that skeleton of a plane out of the way over there.
Oh.
The missing engine.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Does your Casper wing have an altimeter on it?
I have an altimeter for my hang gliding that I'll be able to put on there.
Nice.
Yeah, variometer.
Very good. Looks all clear. Looking good. Lodi traffic, Quicksilver 290, taxiing across the approach end of 26 Lodi. A little bit of a squeal in our radio there. I'll work on that.
Yeah, I found out about flight suits too, so.
Oh, found some, huh?
Yeah, I haven't bought it yet, but are we ready to go?
Well, we want to do our before takeoff check now, so you'll have your brakes on. Number one.
Put it on.
You can do that if you want, or you can just hold it. It's up to you.
I'll just hold it.
Yeah. Number two, we'll bring our throttle gently up to 3,000 RPM. Good, right in the ballpark. That's probably pretty close right there. And hold her steady at 3,000. There's 2850, 2810, 2830, 10,
I have it.
70, 9. Yeah, there you go. That's in the ballpark there. And now you can shut down one ignition and look for the drop. Listen for it, feel it. There. No more than 500 RPM drop is okay. And we'll turn that back on and then drop the other one. And again, no more than 500. Very nice. All right, I'll double check those.
Okay, and you double check the zippers.
Yes, I did. Thanks. Got them all.
Okay.
Got them all. Okay, super. Now let's try a fast taxi down the runway.
Okay.
Just practicing, warming up, staying straight. We should, since we're a high-wing aircraft, we should turn a circle. It's going to be real important that but you've got your brakes on, so we can't throttle up unless you've got your brakes off.
Yeah.
That's going to ruin my aircraft. So I'm holding the throttle back.
Okay.
I just wanted to talk about it. No brakes on when the throttle goes up. Okay, now you can add your brakes. Slowly, very slowly, very, very slowly. Well, we got to try
taxiing down the taxiway?
No, we were just turning a circle to check the sky and the ground for any aircraft. No brakes, just throttle back, gently turn a circle like this. Let me,
Hey, Franklin traffic.
I'll demonstrate.
65415 is 3 miles to the south at 1,500 feet. We'll fly over midfield and get wind information. Franklin.
Franklin. So we heard that was at Franklin, so we know that it's not here at Lodi.
Okay.
Okay, so here's what I'll demonstrate what we're looking for. We're looking for a nice smooth turn where you divide the sky into 2-inch strips.
Oh, okay, I understand that.
Okay.
I thought you wanted us to taxi down.
No, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for air traffic because then we're going to get on the runway
Okay.
and do a faster taxi down the runway.
Okay, I thought you wanted to taxi down there.
Now you could turn left if you wanted to. That would be fine. Doesn't really matter. We'll go on to the, when you do a turn, just choose a direction and turn. Get the wings out of the way. All right, Don. Now it's your aircraft. So you'll tell me that you have the flight controls.
Okay, I have the flight controls.
Good. We will taxi onto the runway. Want your fingers away from those brakes? Good.
Yeah.
And we'll start where the white paint begins. I'll do the call. Lodi traffic Quicksilver 290, taxi practice 26 Lodi. So yeah, just kind of going down the runway, see how you feel. Just when the plane's getting lighter, it's more susceptible to the winds and the breezes. We want to see that we can handle it. Look down the runway, that helps a lot.
Oh, seriously, I thought you wanted me to taxi down the taxiway. That's why I was doing.
No problem. No problem at all. Looking good. Now, if you're at an airport that has a runway that's going to cross your runway, you definitely want to look left and right before you get there.
Lodi traffic helicopter, radar code south for southwest, South Atlantic Lodi.
So are you looking left and right? Because we're about to cross, and looking left, should be way out there. Good, and out to the right. Very good.